Hello, welcome to another video by Mox Marine. This video is a milestone in the development of this 5.7 LS engine for a boat. I'm about to prime it with oil, put oil in it for the first time, and turn it over and try to build oil pressure or get oil circulated through the engine. So the way it works, the oil pump is up front, and this port right here is a direct access to the oil pump outlet. Comes this way and then it runs down the block. So this is a direct access to the main oil gallery, which feeds your oil filter down there. So the purpose of priming this system is to pump oil through the engine, fill up your filter, get oil up through the top of the engine. The oil makes its way from the filter, comes up through that little lump right there, ends up in a cavity behind here. This plate covers it. The cavity's also got a port coming down from here. That's your oil pressure measurement device there, your oil pressure sender right there. So that you see there's a passage right there into this cavity. That's where the main oil is. So this main oil feeds both your lifter pads and also your main bearings and cam bearings down through there. So in order to do this, I made a oil priming tool. It's a 3-inch PVC pipe with fitting 3-inch down to 1.5-inch reducers on both ends, and the approximate length is 27 inches. So doing the math, it comes out to about 3.3 quarts of capacity in this tube. And I've got this hose here with a 6AN fitting on the end of it. And also I've got this extra threaded plug here. That's where I fill the tank up with oil. And then I hook up compressed air to this end, and I use compressed air to push oil through the engine at about 20 to 30 PSI. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up. In order to do this, you need a special fitting. I don't know what the part number is. I'll put it in the description, but I believe this is 16 millimeter on this end. It's got a rubber O-ring here. Better focus. There's a rubber O-ring there for sealing, 16 millimeter, and 6AN on this end, which will screw directly to my hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this fitting here, put this in place, hook up the primer, and fill it with oil, and let's prime this engine. All right, as I was saying, I've got the fitting screwed into the engine. I've got the 6AN hose connection fitting hooked up to that. And I'm about to fill the tank up about, I'm gonna go ahead and put probably 2 quarts in the first time. I don't wanna overfill it. I'm gonna build up oil pressure, fill up the oil filter, and then I'm gonna remove this valve cover over here. I can't get this off on this side because I still got this marine exhaust manifold here, but I'm gonna take this side off, and what you look for is oil to come out of your top of your lifter, or excuse me, your rocker arms, and that way you know you're getting oil pressure up through your lifters and up to the top of your engine. Okay, I've already filled this engine, or filled this priming tube with about maybe 2 quarts of oil. For the first fill, I use Havalon 10W30. It comes in a 6-quart cardboard box. Get it from Walmart for about 20 bucks. It's a very good deal. And I use standard non-synthetic oil for the first oil run. LS engines don't use thicker oil, they use thinner oil, so I think 5W30 is the factory recommendation for a car. I'm putting in 10W because generally people don't run boats when it's below freezing. Okay, I've got the air hose hooked up to my air compressor. I've got the compressor set for about 25 PSI. Don't want to go any higher than that on initial fill. And once I release that valve, it'll start pushing this, forcing the oil in this tube into the engine. I'm obviously going to turn the tube up so the gravity feeds oil to the bottom and the air pushes into the top. And it should fill this engine up with oil, release what's in this tank here. So let me go ahead and do that. I really can't do it on camera because I need to use 2 hands, but I'll see let's see what we can get here. So I'll tilt it like this, open up the valve. And now it's starting to pump the oil into the engine. I hear it bubbling. Let's see if we can get it all in there. I definitely hear some gurgling inside the engine. Sorry about the bad camera work. All right, I don't know if it's all of it, but I'm gonna stop and open the fill up and see if the oil's gone. Okay, I've got 25 PSI air pressure on the tank. It's pumping oil through the engine, and I can see oil spurting out through there. It goes right there. There's some oil coming out there, so I know that I've got oil pressure getting up into the lifter galleries. It's actually pumping out a lot of oil through air through that one lifter. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate the engine over by hand and see if I can circulate the oil through the engine. All right, the first run was only about a quart. I've now put 2 more quarts in this tank here. Oh, they go in there. Put 2 more quarts in this priming tank, and now I'm gonna release the pressure and fill 2 more quarts of oil into this engine, and that'll be it for the day. There's no need to put more than 3 quarts in there until I get the oil dipstick on it and check the level. But I'm quite certain that it's filled up the oil filter and it's got oil into the top of the engine. Let's see if we can get some oil coming out of one of these lifters over here. All right, so I've disconnected the air, and you can hear it's still gurgling inside. And I believe that gurgling sound was the air is coming in here, it's going backwards through the oil pump, and then going down through the pickup tube into the bottom of the oil pan. And that gurgling sound is what air coming out into the oil in the pan and making that gurgling sound. So you can hear it over here. Yeah, you can still see there's some residual pressure still in the tank, and it's bubbling out inside the oil pan below. Okay, you definitely hear oil gurgling inside the engine. I haven't seen actually a stream of oil come out of this lifter yet, but this engine's quite full of oil. So that wraps it up. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this thing up, get all the gravity out of the, use gravity to get the oil out of it, and then wrap up priming the engine. Thanks for watching.